me Amol Sharma, back again with my new video. Okay, so here I've created 100 days of Python full roadmap. You can learn from anywhere, no matter what. If you are learning from documentation or YouTube video or from by your own, okay. But you need to have certain idea whether how to start or do like this. Okay? I've just make and certain like 100 days roadmap. Okay. Python basic. Okay, in 30 days you can understand the basic. Like I've just created a full roadmap where you can learn everything from here. Okay, from scratch. As I am a Python developer in doing internship in one company that I cannot tell you the name. Okay, exactly. So here what I'm going to teach you that today. Here I'm just going to teach you Python basic. Okay, how can you install that those things? Let me just go here, and first of all you need to install the Python. Okay, you need to install the Python. You can install from the python.org. Here you can install the pre-release model. Okay, in of this 2020-30 bug fix. Okay, you can install from here only what you want to install. Okay, and then you need to have VS Code, Cursor, or might be those things you need to have. I'll just suggest you to use VS Code as a starting. Okay, not to go for those PyCharm like this thing. VS Code is easy. You can write anything. Okay, you can download from here. Okay, at first this step is hard. You can download that VS Code, Python, you can anywhere from here. Okay, first let's talk about which IDE you need to choose, VS Code or PyCharm. Okay, everything has own dependency. Okay, if you choose like PyCharm, it is more powerful outbox. Okay, if you're doing great project like bigger project, you need to use PyCharm. Okay, and VS Code lightweight. Okay, in every computer I think it will work, and you need to just add the Python extension. Okay, when you start writing Python code, let me just write the Python. Okay, I'll just write python.py. Okay, I'll just write python.py, and I'll just use print statement hello world. Okay, I'll just write Python statement hello world, then I'll just run this. Okay, so we have run that Python hello world. Okay, our first program has been run successfully. Then after let's learn to the about some basic thing. Okay, what does this do? Okay, what does this print function does? Okay, I'll just make an like comment so that you will understand. Okay, what is print function and command does? Okay, print function, however, show the output. Okay, what does print function do? Okay, what does print function? I mean, what does print function does? Okay, it will just give you the output what you want to print. That's it. Okay, output. Okay, it is for the output. No need to understand the fancy thing. It gives us outputs of this specific those messages. Okay, and if you want to leave notes, okay, such as print I mean my bad print, then after here we are learning Python from scratch. Here you can do like that. You are learning Python from. It is just to display those messages which are written in this statement. Okay, here how can you write Python statement? Okay, let us just print. Okay, this is for the comment. Okay, not like this. This is for the comment. Okay, if and this is for single comment. Okay, and this is just like if you want to do multiple comments. Okay, here if I write anything, it will not display this one. This because this is comment. Okay, this part is comment. This part is where it will display. Okay, look, hello, here we are going to learn Python from the scratch. Now we have successfully understand how see what is print function do, what does single comment does. Okay, then after let us move on to variable. We are just going to learn basic about variables. What does variables and data type do? Okay, variable, and let's learn about basic here only data types. Okay, what does variables do and data types do? Okay, suppose if I'll write any like name equals to, I'll just write code with Amul. Okay, I'll just write code with Amul, and then after I'll just write is student equals to true, and I'll just write description. Okay, I'll just write I'm teaching Python, and I'll just write like age. Okay, I'll just mention age. Okay, So this, I'll mention my age. Okay, here I just mention my age. Okay, what does this type? What is this? Is just an name is just an container. Okay, we store this value. Okay, what does this token does? What does this comment? What does this double quotation means? Okay, this is double quotation means string. Okay, you can store anything, like it doesn't matter if you store here any variable, anything, it will just print that. Okay, and this part, what does this true false means? Okay, this true false is boolean. Boolean are those values such as if you see in any code, such as whenever you are in active or not. Okay, it will just simply so like this, like status is equals to active. Okay, what does it means? Okay, status active means if you are active, then it will display true. If you are not, then it will display false. Okay, that back in code logic it is written like that, and this is nothing but as a boolean. Okay, it is nothing but as a boolean. Okay, short form is bol, or you can write like this, boolean. Okay, you can write boolean. Okay, this is same string, this is also string, this is an integer. Okay, yeah, integer. Okay, this is simply just integer where those number value are stored. Okay, just like that. But if you remember, the value of the pi is like 13 point something something. The point value after the decimal value, it represents as a float. Okay, but float contain only I think 5 or 6 value. Okay, if you want to print multiple those thing, that is not float. You need to use double statement. There are so let's just print just this much part only. Okay, let us use print statement. Let print name is student. Okay, you can print in single line also, is student. Description, no matter if you want to print like in row wise or all those things, it will just not use my. Okay, let us simply okay, code example true student teaching. Okay, if you want to do like that, it will give that power also. No, I want to use like this. I want to display all my name like this. If you want to do that, no matter what happened, for this basic you need to understand concept only. No need to try the, no need to understand like what does this thing do. Just try to understand the basic. Okay, let me just use is student. Okay, it is giving me solution. Then after print, I'll just use the description where I has written. Okay, then after if you write age, it will not give anything. Okay, you need to write print age. Okay, it is successfully for this one, this will give in us like this single line. Okay, when you return like this, it will give us in like line after line. Okay, let me just comment out this, comment those part where you don't even want to print. Okay, whenever I'll just write okay, here that is code inside my Python basic file. I'll just go the directory Python basic, right? There is space in folder. Okay, let me just run that file. Okay, and look at this here, code with Amul true. I am teaching. It is just printing in vertical way. So this is for today only as a beginner setup. Okay, and Python basic. If you found this helpful, give this video a like, subscribe, and more, and comment below what should I cover next in Python. See you in next video. Thank you so much. If you want to learn Python from the scratch or anything, you can just comment down below. I'll teach you. Okay, I'll teach you whatever I have learned. Okay, I'll not take any money such as other creators taking that teaching. I'll just teach you everything what I have learned, like in my entire career. Okay, or Python what I have learned. I'll just upload to my GitHub channel. Okay, you can just go and follow me in GitHub also. I can just push into my. If you don't learn GitHub, I'll just teach you that. No, nothing. It is not hard. If you found that hard to learn Git and GitHub, how can you run that your code locally, all those things, I'll just teach you. Let me just comment out the directory. In next video, I'll teach you about data types. Okay, variables and data type. What does variables mean? What does data type means? Okay, I'll just comment out this and I'll just push to my GitHub channel. Okay, I'll just push to my GitHub so that you can find those also resources here. Okay, like this. Reload it. Okay, successfully I have created Python basic. When you visit the Python basic and Python file, you find that code. Okay, if you want to today we have successfully completed that Python statement basic variable type. Okay, these are string. Okay, after that we are going to learn about operation and expression. I know, but how does this means? Okay, logical operation. This is mainly used as a like what we call authentication system. Okay, this for in like mathematical operation, comparison unit. This is for like from here we are going to learn from building project. Okay, from here we are learning by building project. Okay, in next video I am going to teach you about this thing, variables and data type, all those things I'll teach you. Thank you so much for like making my subscriber up to 500, and this is about the video. Okay, see you, tata, bye bye, have a good night.